Okay, for sketch, isometric sketch, the first thing that you need to pay attention is about this X. Okay, this X. This X represent the point for you to put in the center of the isometric axis. Okay, in the center of the isometric axis. So what does it mean is, for isometric axis, we have this uh, we call it this three line, okay, horizontal, and then 30 degree to the right side, 30 degree to your left hand side. Okay, so this X need to be at this point, okay, at the center point, right? So actually it's not always here. Sometimes this X is like right here, okay. So you need to do according to this X mark, right? Okay, so for this part, as you can see here, we have this L shape to the front at the front view. And then this one at the top view, we have this, okay. We have this kind of figure. So I can say that Marcus, okay, Marcus did it right, okay. As you can see here, see at his drawing, you can say it's right, okay, almost right, okay. He still got some mistake over there, but it's okay. I will show you how to do this, okay. Okay, so for the front view, we have this, okay, and then it's like here because we have this L shape, right? This L shape. Okay, and then for this part we will bring it right here, okay, until this part. Okay, so as you can see here, we have this hidden line, okay, this hidden line. Okay, that means this, the surface at the below here is this rectangle, okay, up to this point, okay. So what does it mean is you need to make it like this and this one, okay, to represent this rectangle surface, right? And then we have this, okay, this up to this one, okay, up to this line. And then for the top part we have this, okay, okay, just make it roughly, okay. And then we will do this part, okay, this features. We have another line right here, then bring it like this, and then okay, we have this part to here, okay. We have this block, okay, this block. Later I will do the object line, okay, to enlight the parts detail, okay. And then we have this triangle like this. And as you can see from at the front view, it's only limit to here, so it's only right here and right here, okay, like this, right. And then we at this part we have this triangle. So the triangle is looks like this. Okay, and then here it is, and then we got another triangle here. We got, see, we got this surface, this triangle, this rectangular, and then at the top view we have this part. Okay, so that means it's like this. Okay, so do you see our part? I know my sketch also it's not very good. Okay, for object line, actually you need to make it a little bit bold. Okay, please make it bold. Okay, so it's not like that. It's like here. Okay, if you use pencil, maybe you can use 2B. Okay, if you use pen for your sketch, and then you need to use the maybe this size is maybe 1 or 2. Okay. Okay, at our WhatsApp group here, Aqua also shared. Okay, looks like Aqua version is also good. Okay, yeah, nice. And okay, oh yeah, we have this countable, right? We have this countable. So it looks like this. No, it's like this. Okay, sorry. So how that thing we finish the sketch for our part. So it will looks like this. Okay. I'm sorry because I'm using uh, pen, and then maybe you will not see the much different about object line. Okay, and the construction line. Okay, it's not this one. Okay, it's like this. Okay. Right. So this is our first part. Right. Our first question. Okay, our first question. Alright, this is your Solidwork user interface. So this is it will look like this. Okay, if you finish your installation. Okay. Right. So if you have this already installed, okay, this Solidworks. So what you need to do is start with this. Okay, this one new button. Okay, new. You just click it. So before this, actually you need to select the unit. So for us, for this course, you need to select millimeter. Okay, select millimeter. I guess third option, you got several option about the units. So please select the millimeter. Okay, the millimeter. And then you just click next, and then you will have this kind of window pop up. So what you need to do for us is we will use this part. Okay, this the first option, and then just click OK. Alright, so this is your first maybe the part user interface. So what you need to do is okay, what you need to do is start with the sketch. Okay, so for sketch, what you need to do is first you need to select the sketch menu. Okay, sketch menu, and then select the plane that you need to start. Okay, where you need to draw. Okay, so for us for this time we'll just select top plane. Okay, top plane, and then as you click this top plane, this will show up, right? This four option will show up, and then you need to select sketch. Okay, so for sketch, as you can see here, we already select this sketch menu. Okay, sketch tab. So as our part is a rectangular part, so we will start the base with this rectangle option. Okay, select this. And then as you click this one, there's several rectangle type. Okay, we've got 5 rectangle type. So for this part, okay, we will use this, the second part. As you can see here, the difference is about the red red dot here. As you can see here, this one is got red dot and got number 1 and number 2 right here. And then for this one is the one is at the center. So what does it mean is this is to show you the way you make your rectangle. Okay, for this option you will start at this first this one, this edge, the edge number 1, and then you need to hover your cursor to this part. Okay, this edge. So like this. Okay, like this will look like this. Okay, this is how we make it. Okay, you click this edge, and then you need to click at this edge. Okay, but I'm not going to use that. Okay, so in this part, I will use this, the second option. Okay, so as you see, because of the option is one at the center, and then the second part is at the edge, so you can select the center. Okay, hover your cursor or your mouse at the center of this top plane, okay, and then click, okay. The red, orange circle will appear, okay, at the center, and then you click that, and then make your rectangle like this, okay, just anywhere, okay. And then actually, don't worry about the dimension. We will arrange, or maybe we'll modify that, okay, later. Okay, now we have this one. After you finish, then you can just simply close the dialog by click this green tick right here, okay. Alright, now you have this sketch, okay, and then what you need to do is we need to change the dimension, okay. As you can see here, the dimension for this line, okay, the rectangle line, this side is 164. Okay, 164, so maybe we can just make it 150, right? Be 150, and yes, enter. And then it will automatically change its dimension, okay. As you can see here, it's already adjust to 150. So this is one of the method, okay, for you to change the dimension of your geometry, okay, your sketch, in your sketch, okay. Of course, we can use other technique. So, but for now, I will fully utilize the sketching features in the Solidworks, okay. And then for this side, as you click this one, and then the parameter for this line, it will show at 112. Okay, so you just convert it to 1, okay, 100, maybe, yeah, 100 is okay. 100, okay, yeah. And then you will have this kind of rectangle, okay, and then if you finish this, and then just click this, okay, the green part. All right. Alright, now, as you know, we sketch this one at the top plane, okay? At the top plane, right here, top plane. So, in order for you to return the view of your SolidWorks here to isometric view, what you need to do is click this one, okay? Click this one, this icon here. Actually, this one is represent the viewport. Okay, the viewport. As you click it, it will appear a box like this, okay? So if you want to see at the front view, you can select this box right here, this selection, or for right side view at this. I got here. Okay, but for now, I want to check. I want to select the isometric view. So for isometric view, you need to select this one. Okay, this at this edge. Okay, so your view will automatically change to isometric view. Okay. The other shortcut for this view is space bar. So if you hit your space bar, it will also show the same configuration or option for you to view your parts. Okay, space bar or this icon. Right. Okay, now in order for you to convert this sketch, this is also, we know that it is a sketch, so it was drawn in we call it 2D plane. So in order for you to make it 3D or isometric, okay, in isometric view, what you need to do is select the sketch, okay, the sketch, and then at the features tab, okay, change to features tab and extrude, okay, extrude, click extrude, extruded boss and base, okay, and then you can specify the thickness. Okay, for this part, I can say make it 15. Okay, 15 mm, right? 15 mm. So and then we already set the 15, and then click this green. Okay, this green tick, and then you already have this isometric view. Is this plane? Okay, this part in this base. Okay. So in order for you to control the view, actually you can use your middle button, your this scroll button. You can click, okay, click to rotate. Okay, You can rotate it by simply click this mid button of your mouse. Okay. Okay. However, if you want to pan okay, like this, move it without rotating, you need to control, hold control button in your keyboard. Okay, hold your control button and then use this middle mouse and then you can pan it. Okay, this you can use this kind of control key, okay, to pan it and then to maybe have a better view, okay, for your part. Okay, so just now we know how to change the viewport. Just hit your spacebar and then you can select this part to return to your isometric view. Okay. Alright, now we have this. Next is we will do uh, the L part right here. Okay, the L part. We know that we're supposed to have a L part. Okay, so again, you need to do sketching. Okay, on top of this part. Okay, in order for you to do that, is you just simply click this part. Okay, use your left button mouse. Just click. Okay, just click your the surface of this part, and then if you click, and then you will have this option. Okay, you will have this option. So what you need to do is select the sketch. Okay, sketch option. Okay, and then you will automatically use this menu, the sketch menu. Okay, on top of this part, right? Okay, now select this rectangle. Okay, rectangle, and then for now we can use this. Okay, use this part, use this feature, the first option for rectangle type, which is the corner rectangle, and then hover your mouse at the edge of this part, okay, of this your base, and then drag it, and then as you can see here, if you hover your mouse at the edge of this part, orange line will appear. Okay, so that means your cursor already catch the point to this edge. Okay, to this edge. Okay, so just click. Okay, then you will have this view. Okay, this we call it this rectangle. Okay, and then now select this edge. Okay, make another rectangle. Okay, and then as you can see here, if I move my mouse at the edge, okay, at this edge, and then orange line will appear. Now I click that. Okay, now we have these two rectangle. Okay, rectangle. So for now, I just click this. Okay, first the green color. Okay, okay. Now, alright. Okay, so I change to top plane view. Okay, by simply hit your space bar. Okay, space bar, and then select this one. Okay, in order for you to make the selection to your top plane. Okay, so as you can see here, top plane is it's mentioned as a top plane. So now what I need to do is I want to change this dimension. Okay, the dimension for this one. So I click this one. Okay, then change it to 20. Okay, 20. Okay. I can say okay, 20, and then same goes to this one. Also 20. Okay, 20 and 20. Right. And then hit this green button, green tick button. Right. So you have this L shape. And then now, because of we know that this part is an L shape, so we need to remove this part, right? So in order for you to remove this one, these two, because we need to have L shape right here. So use the trim. Okay, trim features right here. Okay, and then let's click this one. Okay, click this. Okay. Use this trim to closest. Okay. I will use this trim to closest. Okay. Let me do it again. Okay. Trim to closest. Okay. Because of we want to make it like this. Okay. Just click this one and then same goes to this one. Click this one and then you will have the so-called line here. Okay. Alright. So that's it. Okay. For this one. As you can see here, it's changed to 20. Okay, so you just hit to 100, you get it back to 150. Okay, and then now we have this. Okay, as you can see here, we have this sketch. Okay, this one, this L shape. Okay, now we need to extrude this one, right? So return your view to your call it isometric view again, and then select this sketch. Okay, we already finished this L shape and then we want to extrude it. Okay, we need to, when to extrude it, then select this sketch and then on switch to features tab and click extrude. Okay. Okay, so now you need to arrange. Okay, you can click this space here to make it extrude to the top. Okay, to the top side, and then change it to maybe we can make it 30. Okay, let's make it 30 or maybe 40. Right, let's make it 40. Okay, 40 and then click this green tick right here. Okay, now we have this. Right, we have this 3D model here like this. Okay, so yeah, now let's move to the features over here. Okay, in order for you to make it, so you can click this one, click this surface, and then select sketch. Okay, select sketch, sketch on it, and then again you can use this rectangle features, and then yeah, please select this option. Okay, the first option on the rectangle, and then hover your mouse at this edge. Okay, and then make it up to this. Okay, up to this line until the orange line appear. Okay, and then you click that. Okay, and then click the green button to complete your rectangle. Okay, all right, now this is what we call the sketch number 3, right? So you can click this sketch 3 and then switch to features tab and again extrude it. Okay, click extrude. So as you can see here, the Solidwork will automatically generate, okay, these features. Okay, so for this one, if this one is correct, okay, actually you can change this direction. Okay, this maybe you want to make it up here. Actually, later we will talk about that. Okay, for now we just use this kind of features because yeah, this is our first class, and then I will not make it too much. Okay, so we can just follow whatever the Solidwork suggests. Okay, so for the dimension here, let's make it maybe 50, or maybe yeah, just leave it 40 is okay. Yes, okay, 40, just make it 40. Okay, and then just hit the green button. Okay, so let's make the triangle features. Okay, as you can see here in our isometric sketch, okay, we have this slope. It's supposed to have a slope right here. Okay, so in order for you to do that, actually we can use so-called fillet. Okay, fillet, or maybe actually we can make it chamfer. Okay, chamfer. So select chamfer. Okay, so you have certain we call it parameter here. Okay, so just first of all click this edge. Okay, click this edge, and then automatically your SolidWorks will show the parameter right here. Okay, the maybe we can see the view of your chamfer. Okay, according to the parameter you set here. So let's say you make it 15, okay? Make it 15 and then it will change, okay, to 15, okay? 15. Okay, so for now we just stick to 10. Alright. 10 mm. Okay, so it will like this, okay? And then you just hit the green tick right here. Okay, so we have this slope, okay? Same goes to this one. Okay, for this one, repeat the same process where you can select again the chamfer and then select this edge. Okay, as you can see here we got this uh distance and angle option. Okay, because of here we got the angle distance. Okay, how about if we select this second option? Okay, if we select this second option, we will have both of these parameter change to millimeter. Okay, compared to this one, it's according to the angle. Okay, the angle of the chamfer. Okay, if you select this one, the distance and distance menu, you will change it. We will change the parameter of this one according to the dimension you state here. So for example, for this one, I change it 20. It looks like this. Okay, change to here 20. Okay, so for this one, maybe 30. Okay, so as you can see here, in our 3D model, I mean isometric sketch here, we have this different size, right? At the top view, it show a little bit shorter. Okay, so you got a shorter here, and at the front view, we got a longer view. Okay, for this L shape, right? This one, okay, this part, right? So just hit 30 and 20, and then hit the green tick right here. Right, so now we have the shape. Okay, the shape of our 3D model. Alright, now as you can see here in our isometric sketch, we have a rectangle. Okay, rectangle here. So in order for you to do that, you need to sketch it. Okay, you need to use sketch features. However, for this part, it will be a little bit different. Okay, because of usually if you simply click this sketch, okay, and then you select sketch, it will require for you to have a plane, okay, plane or planar face, okay, or edge or something like that in order for you to start your we call it the sketch. However, because of the triangle right here actually don't have any plane, okay, because we will draw it at empty space, no plane, that means no plane at empty space. So what you need to select is make it 3D sketch. Okay, use 3D sketch, and then you need to select line. Okay, lines. Okay, okay, and then what you need to do is select this. Okay, hover your what you call it, your mouse at any of this point, and then they will be appear this orange box right here. Okay, that means it's already catch its midpoint of this line, and then just click it. Okay, and then move your mouse around here. Okay, around here, and then click this orange. Okay, orange box will appear, and then click it, and then drag your not drag, just move your mouse around this edge. Okay, and then click this edge, and then actually if that happen, just press escape, and then yeah, connect this one. Okay, make another line. Okay, in order for you to complete this line. Okay, for sketch actually it's okay as long as it's still in a sketch, and then if the sketch is not maybe you call it it's not a continuous, you can just make another line. Okay, just connect this one. Okay, so is it okay? How are it? Do you get this? How to draw this one?
Yeah, rather.
Yeah, is it okay? Right.
Yeah.
Okay, so I know this is a little bit uh hard, okay, for you, for the first timer, okay, for to do this, especially if we are in online, okay, because if we are face to face, and then I will immediately assist you, okay, how to make this, okay. The 3D sketch is a little bit difficult, okay, for you to understand. However, try to figure it out, okay. You can try to practice, and then you can have this kind of sketch, right? Okay, so now we will extrude this. Okay, we will extrude this. Okay, so select this 3D sketch and then switch to features tab, and then again select extrude. Okay, select extrude. All right, now here you need to select this part. Okay, by click this one, and then you select this edge. Okay, so it will appear the view of your parts. Okay, according to the direction of the selected edge right here. Okay, and then for this one, maybe we can just change to 1. Okay, I mean 10 mm. So as you can see here, this is how we make this triangle. Okay, let's make it 15. I think it's better, right? 15. Okay, make it 15. So just click this green tick button to confirm the 3D parts, right? So this is our parts. Okay, we already have these features. Right, so we almost complete it. All right. So next we have the so-called contour bore. Contour bore. Okay. So for contour bore, okay. So again, you need to select this surface, right? Select, click it, and then choose sketch. All right. Choose sketch, and then select this circle. Okay. This circle. So again, for circle, we have two options. Either it's 1, 2 or 1, 2, 3. Okay, for 1 to 3, the second option, actually you will be, it will be used if you want to make a full circle, okay, that have that use its tangent, okay, its tangent, or so-called perimeter circle, okay. But for this part, we just make it but we just use this normal circle type, okay, because of we will, for this part we will start with the center of the circle, okay, the circle, and then we make the full diameter of that circle. So for this part, just click anywhere here, okay, any part here, and then you can move your mouse, okay, and then make a circle, okay, at any parts, right? So as you can see, as you can make it, if you make this one, the parameter will automatically show, okay, automatically show right here. So this represent the radius, okay, the radius of your circle. So let's say make it 25, okay, make it 25, and for this one, actually you need to play around with this, okay. Maybe let's as you can see here, as if I click this one, okay, it will change the coordinate of the center, okay. This is the coordinate of the center at the x direction and y direction, okay. So for our case, because of we will make a half circle at this part, okay. So we will not change the y coordinate, we only change the x coordinate, okay. So let's make it 30 for x coordinate, okay. I mean, you need to pay attention with the minus, plus minus, okay? It's minus 30, okay? For x coordinate, and the y coordinate is negative 50, okay? Right here. And then you will confirm it, and then click the green button, green tick button, okay? Alright, now we have this circle, okay? Let's change the view to your top, at the top view, okay? So this is the circle, okay? Okay, so because of in our isometric model there, we have a so-called contour bore. Okay, so contour bore means that you need to make a hole, right? Okay, so what you need to do is make this as the cutting, okay, cutting parts, okay, cutting parts for your model. So what you need to do is click this one, or just simply click the sketch, okay, this icon, this sketch 4 here, and then switch to pictures, okay, pictures, and select extruded cut, okay. So as you can see here, we have this extruded boss base, and then we got the extruded cut, okay. The boss base actually is just now we already use it, where we will make a 3D model, okay. But however, for cut, we will cut the 3D model. Okay, so that is make it how it different. Okay, the extruded boss and cut. So for in our case here, we want to make a hole at here. So we will select extruded cut. Alright, so as you can see here, Solid will automatically presume, okay, how to, I mean, how you want to make the cut, okay. So as you can see here, it's already make the assumption, okay, for the cut, how it will cut direction, the cutting direction for your cylinder at your parts, okay, it's already correct, and then just hit this green button, okay, green tick button. So as you can see here, it's automatically will make the cut, okay, will make the cut. So yeah, that's it. So next, we will make the counter bore. So the term counter bore is we will have another circle right here, right? So what you need to do is repeat the same process, okay? Just click this sketch, okay? This sketch, and then select circle, okay? So as you hover, okay, your mouse at this edge, okay, and then make it around here, and then you will catch the center, okay, the center of this circle, okay. Just click the center and then make another circle, okay, around here. Okay, now the parameter is shown like this, okay. So for coordinate, we will not change, okay, because we already catch the we already use the same circle, I mean the center point of the circle, okay. So we not change it, and then you just change the radius. Let make it 35. Okay, so and then hit this green tick button. Alright. So now we already complete our circle, and then again we will make extrude cut. Okay, so select the sketch. Okay, and then switch to features tab and select this extrude cut. So again, it will be do the assumption. Okay, Solid will do assumption how you want to make the cut. Okay, because of this is a counter bore, so it will not cut through all of the thickness of this base, right? So what you need to do is change this to maybe just 5. Okay, 5. As you can see here, it will cut until up to this thickness, right? So just hit this green tick button to complete the cut, right? So now, yeah, we already finished our isometric, I mean our model, right?